Hello and welcome to the Arlo Lab. My name is Anna and I am your virtual technical assistant. Today we will be going over how to install the Arlo Go 2 connecting to LTE and what we need to make sure of before installing. Let's dive right in. First, from the Devices page in the App tab, on either Add a Device or the plus icon in the top right corner. Next, select the device type and next the camera series. If you would rather your go-to camera be connected to Wi-Fi, select Set up with Wi-Fi at the bottom. Check out our Wi-Fi installation guide video for more information. Tap on Continue, and next follow the in-app steps to insert the SIM card and battery into your camera. Please note that the SIM card cannot be locked. We advise checking the SIM card in a phone in the location the camera will be mounted to ensure it will have a signal. Once ready, tap on Continue. After inserting the battery, the LED should blink blue. When it does tap, continue once more. Next, a QR code will appear in the app, and you will need to point the Arlo camera at it for it to scan. You may need to move the camera side to side or front to back to make sure the camera can capture the code. If the code is not scanning, make sure the brightness on your device is up, that there is no light reflecting off of the screen, and that dark mode is disabled on your Arlo app device. You will hear a distinct chime sound when the camera scans the code. Once scanned, the app will start searching for the device, and when found, you will be able to name the device. And next, the device will check for any firmware updates and install them. Lastly, mount your camera, ensuring it has a strong signal, and finally, tap on Finish, and we are ready. The Arlo Go 2 has the option to be connected to LTE and Wi-Fi, with the Wi-Fi being the primary option and LTE a fallback option. If you would like to also connect the Go 2 camera to Wi-Fi, tap on the cog icon in the top right corner and next on Setup under Wi-Fi Network. Follow the in-app steps to connect the device or check out our Wi-Fi connection video to find out more about the next steps. We hope this video answers your questions regarding connecting devices to LTE. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to check out our other videos about adding devices and the functionality of the app.